Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best cryptocurrencies to buy on Fidelity Crypto. So let's dive into it. If you are investing through Fidelity Crypto, the best options to start with are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are the most established cryptocurrency available on the platform, known for their strong performance, market dominance, and long-term stability. Bitcoin is often viewed as digital gold, while Ethereum powered countless blockchain projects and smart contracts, both ideals for investors who want reliable exposure to crypto market. Fidelity has also begun expanding its crypto option, including assets like Solana, which offer faster transaction and growing developer interest. While the choice has still limited compared to other exchanges, the focus on top performing coin keep things simple and secure for beginners. So in conclusion, Fidelity curated crypto list is suited for stability, not speculation. Make it a great choice for long-time investors who value quality over quantity. So if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance insight, and let me know which crypto you are investing in. And that's it.